The world is moving fast, and so is the future of finance. But for millions, crypto trading still feels complicated, expensive, and out of reach. It's time for something simpler, smarter, and truly global. Introducing TPay Digital Exchange, the next generation decentralized exchange designed for everyone. Trade, state, and earn with no middlemen, no high fees, and no barriers. Your assets, your control, powered by blockchain transparency. With TPay, you can swap tokens instantly through our advanced AMM system. Earn passive income by joining liquidity pools in yield farms. List your token freely and take part in community governance through the TPay token. Fast, secure, and scalable, built on Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain for seamless performance. Your security comes first. All smart contracts are independently audited, ensuring total transparency and non-custodial control of your assets. From Nairobi to São Paulo, from Manila to Dubai, TPay connects the world through crypto. Join our fast-growing global community. Trade smarter and earn more together. TPay Digital Exchange. Trade freely. Earn globally.